What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on the video. This is Josh, FJ55 Iron Pig. It's been a long mother flipping time and a lot of stuff's happened in life. Hey, you know what? It is the 2nd of April, 2020. Missed the whole corona crap. Well, I got two little face defender shield things from originmaine.com. That's ORIGINMAINE.com. Go there. They got cool stuff, especially if you're into BJJ and stuff like that. They got great jeans. So let's open it up. These are called the Defender Mask. I ordered two of them. And if you go to their website, you'll see they have several different colors to choose from. Let's see, does it have any of my information on it? Yes, it does. You don't get to see all that. All right, empty sack. So we got, here they are. I got the black and I also got the good, the original good one they got. Which if you're a super religious person, it kind of says God on it too. Oh, cool. It says use as extra filter or pattern. Same material, but this is really cool. I didn't know this was included in there. If you're using like the Kenmore cloth HEPA filter bags, doesn't matter if it's QC, O, or whatever they are, as long as the 99.5 to 99.7% filtration goes down to 0.3 microns, I think. This is the size you need to cut it out for. I have some of those on order. That's really cool. So that comes with it. If you guys are familiar with, what is it? SA? I forget what it stands for, the fishing people. Well, they have those face masks. Similar material, similar concept. So you got, it'll probably be easier to see it inside out. So here is the pouch. It says originmaine.com, made in America, never compromise. All their stuff is 100% American. Got an opening here on the left as well as the right to insert a filter into the pocket. It says insert material filter, insert string and tie behind head for more secure fit. So this part will go around the back of your head. It's very stretchy. So if you got a big fat head like me, it's gonna work just fine. Well, let's turn it back right side out. That's what you're looking at. It says good, or if you're religious, I guess it could say God. America strong, adapt and overcome. Hashtags. So let's check out the other one. This is the blackout one. If I remember correctly, it's like micro print, or just really small printing of something on there. Same deal, except this one doesn't have the instructions on it like this does, which is cool. Fine, whatever. But it actually has what is going to be on there. Get that up there. Trying to get it to focus for you. There you go. It says America Strong. Then you got the Origin Dragon Circle. So here's this one. It's pretty much just blacked out, which is nice. Very clean, very simple. Turn it inside out. Same deal, except it's got no instructions on it. I really like that they put instructions on the other one, but absolutely not necessary. You can figure that out pretty dang quick. Same tie to go around your head. And you notice when you pull on it, it's not bunching it up in here either, which is nice, which means it's not gonna smash around your face really bad. So let me go put these puppies on, see how they do. All right, so here we go. As you can see, it's weird trying to film with it in my hand. Here we go, we'll do this. It fits nice and snug. Around the nose, there's just a little gap right here and right here. When you breathe through your mouth, it actually sucks in a little bit, which is awesome. Excuse the dog, she's walking around behind me. It fits good. The little headband piece here, you can move it wherever you want. When you first tie it, it kind of pushes up to your eyes. Don't worry about that. Just pull it down a little bit. Everyone's face is a little unique, so move it to whatever makes sense to you. And like some of those sun protection fishing ones you can wear, like I got one from SA Company, but it pushes my nose in so much, it makes it hard to breathe through my nose sometimes. This pushes in as well, but I can do it just fine. There's this, where the string, the head strap goes through, it travels all the way around here and all the way around. And it creates, I don't know, some little tension, something rigid there. Plus there's stitching. It works really good. I imagine when I put the filter in there, it'd be a little bit harder to breathe, but that's the freaking point. Let me put the other one on so you can see it as well. Nice and comfy though, overall. All right, here's the other one. Works good. It's a little bit easier to breathe on this one. The head strap that passes through here on this one isn't stitched down, so it can slide out. Kind of like a hoodie. If you pull the string out all the way, not the worst thing in the world. It's only a few inches across here. You can grab like a small stick. Be careful though. A coat hanger, chopsticks, and push it through if you need to. But it's nice. If you push it down underneath your ears, at least with mine, it keeps it from riding up in the eyes a little bit. But if it's cold out, or you're walking your dog like I do at night, just pull it up over your ears. It's nice, and I love the fact that this is rolled over and stitched. It's really comfortable here. It's not annoying whatsoever. So, yeah, as far as I can tell right now, these are awesome. I'll tell more. I'll do another video when I actually put the filter in here when I cut it out for it. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you're like me, I'm gonna put down in the link, in the description below, a link to originmain.com. Go get yourself one. I think it was like $11.95 for one, plus like $7.95 shipping. Go do it. They got a lot of other cool stuff there, but if you're concerned or you want to donate a whole bunch, or your organization that needs a bunch, they have bulk ordering as well of 50 or more. So definitely go check them out. They're a great 100% American company. Support them. It's worth it. Plus you get something cool. Later.